When I say go, you're going to throw your ball over to the other side. The object of the game is to throw it in the green or in the white, because there's nothing finer than a liner, in the white or the green, and the object is to get all the balls on one side of the court. All right, everybody understand the rules? All right, on your mark, get set, go. Throw it in the green, keep it in the green. It's a lot of fun. We work on tennis skills, but we make games into the skills. They learn teamwork, they learn how to watch the ball, they learn how to hit a forehand, they learn all the strokes in tennis, but they do so in a fun way.
I like how they turn tennis into a lot of fun games and make it easier to learn. For people like me who've only been playing this for about a year, it makes it a lot easier, the process.
I'm going to put a ball on the racket of the 1s and 3s. They're going to start, they're going to walk up here. You two need to start too. And then you're going to hand off the ball from the racket to racket.
Come on, guys. Be careful, guys.
All right, Jessica, good job. This is our first time doing this drill this week, but they're doing a great job.
Come on, guys.
Come on, Stephanie. This is all eye-hand coordination. It also improves their wrist strength by keeping the ball on the racket. So it's two things, plus they have a good time with it. And so we try to incorporate tennis drills with fun activities.
How are they doing?
They're doing fantastic.
All right, you guys, remember, you start with your feet together. When you hit that high V, you step apart. Okay? Remember facials, cheese it up. You want to be smiley and like, oh my God. Okay?
And at cheer camp, it's for girls who are either novice all the way up to all-stars, and they're the ones that compete in cheer. So all different levels are here, and we learn all the different aspects of cheer.
Split that B, dot that I, knock that CTO, that's victory. We got it. Go, big blue.
We have motions, we do tumbling, we do the cheers, the chants, we do double mini tramp, all the different things that are required to do cheer.
Stick it. Nice. There you go. You got that.
All right, guys. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to learn how to go off this quarter pipe right here. Now what you're going to do is you want to go up to the quarter pipe, moderate speed, get your feet in the position that I taught you earlier called 2-4. All right? You're going to go up to the ramp. Right when you hit the coping, right when you hit it, you're going to pop it up and you're going to level out. Suck your feet up to your chest and spot your landing. And then ride away like a champ. All right, so why don't you try it out, Tanner? Level out this time, Tanner.
Hit that rail. Hit that rail.
I think it's a great form of exercise for the kids. I think any kid who is involved in inline skating or skateboarding, I think it's a great way for them to learn new skills. The best way to learn new skills is to learn from people who know them and then to have a chance to practice them.
Really what we're just trying to do is we're trying to teach the kids the basics. Like I was teaching the inliners just how to roll over this box right here.
Keep it pushing.
And it's not really hard, it's just something basic task. And some of the kids we have are very basic, they can't do much. We just try to put them in, just see what they can do. And some of these kids can just get up on all these boxes and just grind them all. They're just that good, so it varies in performance. So, you know, we're just trying to teach everyone the basics.
So the fitness circuit can be used to help you with whatever sport you want to play. You'll have about a minute and a half to go through each station. Go! All right, run to the station. What I want you to do is get your hands out and stare at something or put one finger on your belly button. Sometimes that helps, okay? I'm serious. All right, so step on with one foot, get those hands out with the other foot and try to hold.
The fitness circuit that we've set up allows us to take the different sports camps through all the components of fitness, including cardiovascular activities, stretching, and muscular endurance and muscular strength activities. We try to make it fun for them by adding in the props, the fitness props, which include the hurdles, the resistable, a Bosu ball, the agility ladder, dumbbells, bands, things like that, where they're coming out here and they're seeing these things, they can visualize what they have to do, and the props just make it more enjoyable.
Slippery snake, slippery snake, slippery snake, slippery snake, slippery snake, slippery snake. That new kid plays real rough. That new kid's big and strong, with muscles everywhere. That new kid tweaked my arm. That new kid pulled my hair. That new kid likes to fight and picks on all the guys.
Try to make sure you don't say that new kid the same way every time. That new kid. That new kid, that new kid, that very vocally, otherwise it's going to start that new kid, that new kid, that new kid, and all right, so vary it, have fun with it vocally.
Inside everybody's nose, there lives a sharp-toothed snail. So if you stick your finger in, he may bite off your nail.
The summer camp here for the last 2 weeks has been a series of exercises, theater games, exercises. We've done some vocal exercises. We've also done some physical exercises to give the chance for the students to understand really the two most important instruments they have as an actor, that being their body and that being the voice.
She'd scour the pots and scrape the pans, candy the yams and spice the hams.
Well, when I was very young, my mom put me into a drama camp and I instantly took a passion for it. So I've been doing drama camps ever since I was very young. It really teaches you a lot about the arts, about drama, and it's very fun to act out different scenes and stuff, to be different people. Larry has taught us how to go to auditions and how to act and how to be more comfortable around the stage, and also he's taught us to be inspired, not brilliant. And it's not about memorizing lines and how your lines come from here and not from here.
Okay, we're not going to be brilliant, we're going to be what?
Inspired.
Inspired. And I guess if we're inspired enough, we will be brilliant.
For more information about our camp, call 703-222-4664 or check out our Park Takes magazine that's mailed quarterly.